I'm traveling Europe for 6 months, almost towards the end of my trip. Currently here in a beautiful fishing town of Ballstad, and I thought it would be time to save all you guys a bit of time and effort. So I've come up with 6 applications to help you guys travel easier. Right, let's get to it. The first app is called WiFi Map. It's a free app that you can get on the App Store. It's a crowdsourced app where everyone puts in Wi-Fi passwords from around the world. Yeah, you might think it's illegal, but it's worked pretty well for me. As you can see here, there are always ads. That's the issue. A few Wi-Fi's around, Himmel and Haven. So it already tells you here the name of the shop, the speed of the Wi-Fi, how far away it is, download and upload speed, and of course down the bottom here you've got a password. So the Wi-Fi password of this guy is called free Wi-Fi. It's really good because you can actually hit a button down here called downloads. You can download countries, so let's say I'm in Norway and you can download all the cities, so you don't need 3G to actually see the passwords of these Wi-Fi networks. Second one, this is by far my favorite app. Really important stuff. Okay, so this one is called Google Maps offline, and essentially it's Google Maps. You log in and it lets it load the map, but instead of you having to use 3G to download the map, you can hit this little top button up here, scroll down to where it says offline maps, hit that, and you've got all your maps you can save. So if you hit custom map, let's say I'm here in Norway and I want to just save the local area. Let's say I click this guy here, which is about 15 kilometers. Click download, it'll download the map so you can actually view things offline. So if you hit airplane mode, you can zoom in, you can zoom right in. And what's even better about this, you can search on it. So I'm in airplane mode, as you can see up the top, and I can search supermarket or ATM or whatever. It will show you a list of supermarkets and things in the area. You can see down the bottom here, it's got this offline area. So, okay, let's say I want to go to Rima 1000, which is the closest big supermarket. If you download a map, you can easily go on to directions, figure out directions to the nearest towns. Let's say I want to head to Leknes here. Just hit directions and it'll pop up the fastest route by car. Of course, it's not going to be incredibly accurate because it's got no Wi-Fi. It will save you a lot of time and effort. Another cool feature about this app is that you can just save locations as you go. Just click on the town, swipe up and hit save. You can save it in whatever category you want, what to go to. Bang. Alright, third application, data flow. Alright, so the data flow application is really good because it lets you track your data easily, and it also alerts you when you're going to head over. So as you can see, I've got my phone here and I want to know how much data I've used. I'll let you can swipe over, and you've got a little widget here which tells you how much you're using, where you are, where you should be at, and tells you your daily allowance. You can just click on the application here, you can set analytics and settings. So if you hit the settings here, you can click data plan. For me, I've got 12 gigs, free roaming throughout Europe. It's only at 3G, but it's pretty good with 3 UK, and you can select your plan cycle and all that. So that's really good for figuring out data. Next thing is XE Currency, pretty useful app, pretty simple. You can use it offline as well. So, I'm in the supermarket, I want to know how much this loaf of bread is. Let's say the loaf of bread is, let's say 22 NOK. You just hit 22 NOK, type that in. It is $3.70. Yeah, always pretty expensive. Liter of milk, let's say 18 crowns. I want to know how much that is, $3 Australian. So it's easy to figure out prices through that. You can also go, I know that I'm going to do 4 payments of $20, 4 times 20, pretty basic, and you can easily see how much that is in another currency without having to do the quick calculations. The next one is Splitwise. Splitwise is an app where essentially you can get all your friends together and you can easily figure out payments. Let's say I click on Josh, create bills, how much things are. It's a pretty simple app. Let's say food. Let's go €4. You can save that, and it will save it, and it will add a tally, and it will also show that I lent $2 to this person. And then you can easily sell up bills. You can see who owes who, and it can easily split payments without you having to worry. Lastly but not leastly, we've got this thing called Google Photos. I love it. I've used it for a few years now, and I've never had a problem with it. Essentially, what it does is it's got unlimited storage at really high quality, and essentially, if you open up the app here, you'll see that it has all your photos saved and backed up. So let's say I choose a hiking photo here. You can easily export that to someone else. So essentially, you can back up photos. As you can see in the corner here, it's trying to back up, but I don't really want to back up over 3G. You can free up space. You can delete photos off your main phone and keep it on Google Drive. But it's just a really good backup when you're on Wi-Fi. So you click that, you can back up all your photos. It's really good because let's say I just want to look at some photos from Hong Kong. I can just simply search Hong Kong. It has some sort of device that easily figures out where the photos are from. And as you can see here, you can see all the photos are taken in Hong Kong, well uploaded. But yeah, it's a really, really handy tool for actually backing up your photos and keeping track of what you have. The good thing is it's unlimited storage. You can back up over Wi-Fi, and if needs be, you can always clear free space off your phone and still have stuff to look at. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this little video of travel tips. If anyone out there wants to know anything else about traveling or whatever, just please send me a message and I'll see what I can help you out with. I'm going to try and start making these videos on like what I find good about traveling, what I don't find good about traveling, because I enjoy it. How to save money here and there so you can travel a bit more, but on the whole, I hope you've enjoyed this video.